So Stephan, we have here an absolutely gorgeous color.
This is the original color the car was delivered in. Verde Bosco.
Beautiful. What condition was this body in when the car arrived?
The only word I have in mind is rotten. So the third part underneath here, it was totally gone.
So it had to be replaced?
Replaced, yeah. Okay. So we decided to use as much from the original metal sheets we can, but sometimes had to cut off, and all the wheel parts, arch, and in the back, the lower line of the boot, the trunk had to be replaced.
Right. So a lot of time went into the body before the paintwork.
Yeah.
And then. And how many layers of paint do we have here?
I think it's 2 color lanes and 3 times clear coat,
yes.
But grinded in between to get it very smooth.
Wet sanded?
Yeah, wet sanded. Yeah.
No, this is gorgeous. This is a spectacular color. And the interior, the leather will be what color?
Black as it was delivered.
And this is a Sebring with what engine size?
3.5 because it's a Series 1.
Series 1, okay, right.